Hello guys, welcome to Legit Boss once again. In this video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how one of my member made 3,600 naira from this particular application. I am going to show you guys in this video for free without any investment. It is totally free, okay? So in this video, I will show you guys how she did it and also the step by step how she made that money within 1 minute. Within 1 to 2 minutes, she was able to cash out such amount of money with her smartphone online just by doing some certain things which she did, and then she was able to made this money. And I'm also going to show you guys the proof of payment, okay, in this video. So make sure you are watching this video without skipping any single line. Before I proceed, guys, my name is Paki, aka Legit Boss. If this is the first time you're hearing my voice or first time you're coming across my channel, what I do on this channel is all about business. I share business updates every day on this channel on how you can make money with your smartphone. So if you're an online hustler or you have so much interest in making money online with your smartphone, then worry no more, because Legit Boss got you covered. All you need to do for you not to miss out any of my updates every blessed day is to hit on that subscribe button shown on your screen and then turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified every day with latest money making updates. Okay, I post money making updates every day on this channel. So welcome to my world and happy cash out with Legit Boss team. Okay, then at the end of this video, what I'm going to be leaving in the comment section is the group link. So after watching this video and you're interested in joining this platform, you can actually access the link of the platform in our WhatsApp group, because that is where we have made it available. Okay, but if you are not interested, then you can just watch and then subscribe and then wait for more updates. Okay, but if you're interested in this particular update I'm dropping now, where you can get the link to register is either in our Telegram group or in our WhatsApp group. The reason why we don't post link here, registration link here or affiliate link here, is because YouTube community guideline is against it. So to make sure that the community is safe for everyone, we don't share links here on YouTube. So all you need to do is to join our WhatsApp group. When you join a WhatsApp group or Telegram group, you don't need to message me before you even join me. Before you even join, you will see the link there. So that is it, guys. So let's proceed with this video. Now, the name of this application or the name of this platform is known as Make or Me Pass. So it is very simple. In this video, I will show you guys the step by step on how you can earn. Before I show you guys step by step on how you can earn, take a look at your screen. That is the lady. She made this amount of money, 3,600 naira, with zero investment, all for free. Okay, so that is it, guys, as you can see. So when you sign up on this platform, the first thing you need to do is to do what? Verify your identity. What is this platform all about? Make is a cryptocurrency update or cryptocurrency project. Is an airdrop and is here to be listed on exchanges. So for now, you only have two ways which you can accumulate this MEC token. And if you accumulate this MEC token, as you can see, my available asset, I am having over 8.3 MEC here, as you can see. So when you accumulate this MEC point, you can actually sell it to Naira. Now, if you are in need of Naira, you can actually sell it. For over 1 year now, this platform has been existing and they are still paying people. A lot of people have made thousands and millions of Naira from this platform, including me making this video myself. I am one of those who benefited from this platform. As you all know, my name is Legit Boss, and if this platform have not benefited me, there is no way I will share this video with you guys. Okay, so that is the reason why I am making this video, to enlighten everyone that this is what is currently paying online for those of you who are interested in making money online with your smartphone for free without any investment. Okay, so when you register, click on Me ID. When you click on Me ID, you will see the option of verify. Now it is very important that when you are doing your face verification, you look very well. You only have one chance to do that face verification, because if you try it for the first time and then you fail the verification, you may not get it. You may not get it the second time. Then the second time they're going to ask you to submit your ID, your government approved ID, for you to be able to get verified. Example, NIN, voters card, passport. These are the things that are going to ask. So for you to avoid that, all you need to do when they ask you to do your face verification, you make sure you position your face on your camera. Your face will be showing on the cycle in the screen, Then they're going to ask you to blink your eye. You blink your eye. They're also going to ask you to nod your head. You nod your head. And please don't do verification in the night. Make sure you do verification in the daytime. And then when you do verification in daytime, make sure you are putting on clothes. So for guys, if you are wearing singlet, you will be rejected. If you're a lady, make sure you're putting on clothes before you start with your verification on this platform. For you to be verified as a human being, that you are not a robot, you have to put on clothes and then do your face verification. It will be successful. Now it is when you do your face verification, that is when you can now start earning. Now when you register with my link, you are going to give you 1 meg. This meg you are saying here, it will automatically be staked and you can withdraw it anytime. So you can withdraw it anytime, but when you are withdrawing it, you can't withdraw all. When you withdraw it, it's not going to be all. So some of them is going to keep staking. The only thing you can withdraw is the one, the staking reward, the one that it has accumulated, the interest it has generated. That is what you can actually claim. But for this one here, you can't claim it. And now, for you to have MEC on this available balance, now how do you do it? When you have access to this invite link, then you are blessed. It means you have been opportuned to make money online with your smartphone legitimately. Now, can you see that you will receive 0.1 meg for anybody you invite on this platform? Now, this 0.1 meg is equivalent to what? Is equivalent to 450 naira. Now, when you accumulate this meg, how do you sell it? You sell it to me. I am buying it. Or there are still other vendors that buy it. But since I have community, for me to make sure that everyone is in safe hand, I am buying it from my community, because I know the vendors, I can actually resell it if I want to resell it to them. But I'm buying it and I am keeping it to my own self for future purposes. So that is the reason why I am buying it from my community, making sure that everyone is in safe hand, because there are a lot of scam vendors online, and that is the reason why I decided that I'll be buying it from my community. So that's the reason why you need to join a WhatsApp group after watching this video, so that when you accumulate this MEC, you can actually come to my DM and then you sell it to me. Now, this lady said she made 3,600 naira. She sold her MEC to me, and how many did she accumulate? She accumulated 0.8. This one is 8.2. This one is 0.8 here. Is 0.8 MEC. That was what gave her that money. When you times 450 by 8, it will give you that amount of money. So that is the amount she got from me. Within 1 minute, the money was transferred to her account, and she was so happy and she's motivated to do more. So what do? You start inviting your friends. Now, when it's not all about inviting your friends, when you invite your friend, they need to do their what? KYC verification also. So as I've explained to you in this video, you also send them video to watch and then learn, because they need video tutorial to guide them so that they will not do the wrong thing, to make sure that they are doing the right thing. So that is it, guys. So anybody invite, they have to do their verification too, as you did your own, so that the bonus will be given to you. The reason why you're verifying it is because whenever you are doing anything in any platform, they need to you need to verify that you are a human being, that you are not a robot. So that is the reason why you have to verify the account. When they verify the account, then you can now receive 0.1 meg. So if you invite 5 people should give you 2,250. If you invite 10 people should give you 4,500 naira. So that is it. You can see you can earn at least 3,600 naira to 4,500 naira daily on this platform, simply by introducing family and friends. So you can do it, any friends you have at all. This is legit. All you need to do is to invite friends and family to the platform with your link, and then you'll be making money for free. So that is it. Just like a Pampe referral program as of few years ago, when Pampe launched, a lot of people made money, including me. I'm a living testimony, because when Pampe started their referral program, as of then, anybody introduced on Pampe, you get 500. Now this one, anybody introduced on this one, you get 450 naira. So I was among those who benefited from Pampe. I am always saying it. And this one also, I'm still among those who benefited. And now they have been existing for over 1 year now, and you still have much opportunity to accumulate as many MEC as you can, and then you can sell it. And again, let me shock you. Do you know that if you're having 50 MEC, the equivalent it will give you naira is 225,000 naira. That is the amount it will give you. So imagine when you're having 2 MEC here, 50 MEC here. I'm just having 8 MEC here. If you're having 50 MEC here, that's huge amount of money. You can make this online with your smartphone for free, no investment, just like that, guys. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Like I said, if you're interested in joining this platform, how you can gain access to it is very simple. Okay, make sure you join our WhatsApp group after watching this video. Thank you. And if you have another question, feel free to comment below. I'll be there to answer you. And then if you are new to this channel, it is very important so that you will not miss out any of our latest updates on daily basis. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and then turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified every blessed day with updates, with money making updates. Thank you for watching this video, and there is love in sharing. Use the share button to share this video so that other people can get to know how they can actually make this money online using their smartphone for free. Okay, and may God bless you as you share this video. Thank you.